what I've done here is I've just done repairs on this little triangular shape area here. And I am pretty sure that I've got the color matched with the paint. But what I'm doing is I'm trying something different here. I've actually put some tape right along the outside of this. And I'm just gonna roll right onto that. So instead of having like a jagged line where I blend the paint in, I've got this nice straight line. I think that's gonna help make this easier to hide. Tough painting here because of all these, but what I'm doing here is I'm just painting to this taped edge. I think it'll make the paint blend easier. I think it'll be easier to hide this way. Yeah, I think that was the way to do it. I got a nice edge instead of an irregular edge that you would get from a roller. And now I'm thinking if it is noticeable at all, it'll be thought of as maybe just a little shadow instead of, I think that's the way to do it. I like it.